What happens if you remove RAM from a running system? As you see here, our system is up and running with a very low quality YouTube video, and I have one stick of RAM out of these three. That's 2 gigabytes of DDR3. So we're gonna flip. Oh, it froze. I can't move my mouse. What happens if we put it back in? Still nothing. System's completely frozen. Can't do anything. Okay, we're gonna force to turn off. That just turned off the system. Whoa. Just started back the moment I flipped the power button, which is very unusual. System is running at full speed. Okay, there it goes. Keyboard's blinking. Loading up. Keyboard's going crazy over here. No keyboard detected. Oh. There we go. It's loading back into Linux. Wow. It instantly just froze and we had to power it off because it just froze. And then we flipped on the power switch and it just was ready to go. That's a really weird bug. Let's see if it actually gets into Linux. Oh, there we go. Let's go.